Mohawk's PVC-free carpet tile backings differ from other modular carpets, including the way it's installed. Our carpet tiles don't contract like PVC. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure a successful and secure installation. The installation site's temperature, adhesives, and tile must be maintained between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit 24 hours before, during, and after the installation. The relative humidity must be 65% or lower. This will allow the tile and adhesive to acclimate to the environment. Product, backing moisture, and pH tolerances vary, so check the product specification and installation instructions before beginning the installation. To ensure your warranty remains intact, you must use N-Press or FlexLock tabs, the Mohawk Group approved adhesive and system. Mohawk's N-Press adhesive has been specifically formulated for our tile backings to provide an engineered installation system. Our backings require a full spread adhesive application with a 3/8 inch nap roller or 1/16 by 1/32 by 1/32 trowel or FlexLock tabs on approved backings. Other application methods will not achieve the desired results. You must ensure that the grid lines are perfectly square by making sure your installation is aligned and then placing the carpet tile in its proper place. This will avoid compression as the installation progresses. When installing the carpet tiles, follow the arrows on the back of the tile and place them according to the installation method shown with your shipment. Follow the grid line and start with one of the corners. Mohawk Group carpet tiles must be placed and never forced into position. Traditional PVC tiles are susceptible to contraction, but ours does not contract because of their unique non-PVC backing. Start with one of the corners closest to you. Position the corner into the adhesive and smooth the tile away from your body. If you allow the back end to hit first, you are likely to experience doming in the center because you have not allowed enough space between the tiles. Start with the corner. Press and rub tile along horizontal seam, vertical seam, then diagonally from starting corner to opposite corner. Don't apply any pressure on it or pull it. Again, start with the corners closest to you. Then position the corner into the adhesive and smooth the tile away from your body. This prevents compression. With your carpet tile installation, place cut-ins and fill pieces into place. Please do not cut too full or force a cut into place. Before placing cut-ins into position, a razor or hook-bladed knife can bevel the tile edge's backing. This will allow the face yarn to fit close to the fixed object and assure that the cut tile has enough clearance so that buckling or lifting does not occur. If the cut tile fits too tight, then you need to recut. If you force it down, you may experience buckling or lifting issues. After tile placement, use a 75 to 100 pound roller to press the carpet tile down into the adhesive. For any questions, contact Mohawk Technical Services at 1-800-833-6954.